My name is Max Testa. I'm a physician, specialized in sport medicine, and I'm working here at the Health and Fitness Institute and in a couple other locations within the Intermountain system. I grew up playing sports, all sports, and I was an alpine skier. My dad was a ski instructor, and I started with that, and then I went into soccer, and then eventually other sport like rowing, track and field. And when I realized that I like to be a doctor, I was trying to figure out a way to stay within the sport field. I was not good enough to be as an athlete, so I decided to be there as a doctor. I got my degree in medicine in Italy at the University of Pavia, that is northern Italy. Is the second oldest university in Italy. So medical school is over 500-year-old over there. And I graduated in 1981, and then I did a fellowship in sport medicine. And you know, sport medicine in Europe is slightly different in the United States. Normally, what you do there as a doctor with this kind of fellowship, you work for a team. Could be a professional team or semi-professional team, and you travel with them or you work in their training facility. I like a lot of aspects of my job. I would say that when I started, my main goal was to stay involved with athletes and with sport. I really like to be a sport event, to see the race or the game, and that's what I thought was much better than stay in a hospital or in an exam room all day long. Then over time I shifted. It's still something that I enjoy to be a sport event, but I really like to see the improvement of the athletes. And the beauty about working with athletes that are definitely much more motivated than any other kind of patient you can work with. They really want to get better yesterday, and they really do everything you tell them to do because they really want to get better. I had a lot of great positive memories. One very strong 1991 when Lance Armstrong won World Championship in Oslo, Norway. I was really at the finish line. I was the first person to stop him after he passed the finish line. Last year we won the Tour de France with Cadel Evans, and I was their team doctor, so I was at the Champs-Élysées ready to celebrate, and we took picture of the first Australian ever to win the Tour de France, and also was the first time as a team we won the Tour de France. So these are, I would say, the most memorable.